Just got Tucker's mini bike frame back from the powder coaters. Me and Dad and Tucker are gonna work on that today, but first, let's go eat some breakfast. Alright, welcome back. So we just got Tucker's mini bike back from the powder coaters. Looks really good. Took a long time, but looks really good. Here's yeah, here it is. So we're gonna put this back together.
Voila.
There it is.
Hot dang. Fire it up.
Alright, so we got the mini bike a rolling frame now, or rolling chassis, whatever you want to call it. We're going to start to mount the engine back in, but I have pulled the torque converter apart because we had an issue with one of the sprockets. The drive sprocket off of the torque converter split, and so we ended up having to get another one from Motorsports. Unfortunately, the inner diameter was just a couple thousandths of an inch too small. So I ended up taking the jack shaft coming off the torque converter, mounting it up in my drill press with a socket driving it and a bearing in the bottom in the table vise, and we just took some emery cloth and took about 4 thousandths of an inch off of this. So this sprocket now slides all the way down. One of the bearings on the backside of the one on the backside of the torque converter was shot. We'd lost the seal and lost a couple balls on it. So I ordered some from the Big Bearing store out of Memphis, Tennessee. Link in the description below. And these guys were $1.44 a piece. So they might be cheap Chinese bearings, but they're going to get the job done for now. So let's go ahead and put these guys in. Okay, then you're going to hold this.
Right there. Whoa, what are you putting on there?
Vacuum plate with the torque converter. I'm totally fucking putting that on here.
That's express written permission. That's what it says. I'll have my lawyer on you so fast to make it work.
Oh, hi, you
Yeah, I was
too.
gonna say your sister.
That'd be it. Yeah, have you You want everything you got. Don't want everything you got.
I was gonna say, isn't that nepotism anyway?
Yeah. But does it matter?
Alright, so we got the foot pegs on. We did the kickstand. I let Tucker do that off camera. So now it's time for controls. Throttle, kill switch, brake, and tacho. And we're gonna go ahead and get these on, and should be able to fire it up here soon. Bring this back and slide it over the disc, and then on the back side, you see that hole line up. Grab the other one. Don't drop any of them washers off. Just put it in that hole right there. Cross-threaded. It's cross-threaded. It's not in straight. That's in straight. Okay. Tighten those in all the way with the fingers. Okay. Now hit them with that. Use your right hand. Okay, and go to the other one. Okay, now stop, take that long extension, put it in your left hand, flip it over. Okay, now put it on there.
Tight?
Yeah, and then put the socket on, or put the ratchet on it. Push the button in the middle. Okay. See how you're twisting? You're pulling this way. You need to keep it as straight as possible. So you're actually use this hand. You're gonna push up and then pull down. There.
Yeah.
Okay. Now put that down. Put the cap back on the Loctite. This little guy plugs into there. That's your kill switch. And it's going to go all the way in, it's going to click. Did you click?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, all we've got left to run
Is those wires.
is the throttle cable and
The brake cable.
The signal, no.
Oh.
This is the signal wire for the tach. Okay. Now feed it through.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this needs to go right underneath there. That metal end needs to go right underneath that. See how there's a notch in it? That notch needs to line up in the middle of that guy. So grab this and feed it in. Okay, stop. Get the screwdriver on the screw, there you go. Other way, tighten it down. Okay, now lightly pull on that and see if it comes out. Does it come out?
No.
Okay, then we're good. Now we can adjust and tighten that guy down.
Tiger 212 mini bike running, so yeah.
So there it is. We got the bike back together and did some riding around. I even got my dad on the mini bike, which was a first, and he was fairly impressed by him. So thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching Badger Canyon Motorsports out here. We'll see you on the next one.